Have you guys ever wondered what it's like to be an owner of an Ekko?
I have.
I still do.
Me too.
Here's a day in the life of an Ekko owner. Enjoy!
Bye.
Now back to our regularly scheduled program.
Sunrise, climbing through the windshield glass. Starbucks tea in the tank of gas. The road ahead is open wide. John and Jody side by side. Laughter packed in every bag. Tripod bounce.
Have you guys ever went to like a Blue Beacon to have your RV washed? We did that one time and a bunch of parts fell off. Not this RV, the previous one. But I think this is the best way to wash an RV because it costs like 10 or 11 bucks. You could take your time and it gets it really clean actually. And I know what you're gonna say. Why are you filming, John, while Jody's washing the RV? She's doing all the work. It's not that I don't want to do the work. In fact, I offered to, but she likes doing this. She's weird, but I love her. I think washing off the Vegas is kind of cathartic for her, so I'll let her do it. So for you Spreckle people out there, Jody's got a message for you.
Buy your def at Costco. It's only $13.99.
Holy cow, for what size?
2.5 gallons.
We should stock up. How many are we gonna buy?
One.
But it's a great price.
It's always this price.
Oh, okay. Right?
Lots.
300 bucks and this could all be yours.
Only $2.75. And when you're minimalistic like we are, everything fits like a glove.
So we haven't eaten at the Habit in a while because Jody and I have both been eating very healthy the last 6 months or so. We both lost a ton of weight because we were fat asses. So
He
yeah.
was, not me.
Hey, she's probably not wrong. Hey, my eyes are up here. All right, I got the chicken club. Jody got an ahi tuna sandwich, onion rings, and tempura green beans. And you guys don't want to watch us eat, so let's just call that a wrap.
Look what we got.
That's Oki.
It's Oki, which is what we call our Ekko. We designed this ourselves. Picked the state, the date, the pattern, obviously our rig's name. Look at our beautiful sign.
That's a beautiful sign.
Oki is what we call our Ekko. But also don't forget to follow the Ekko Collective on Facebook. Learn all about Ekko life, whether you have a Spreckle or a Trekko. Follow us, learn things about living the life.
That is a day in the life of an Ekko owner. Yes, if you have $200,000 in a dream, you can own one too.
Or good credit.
It's good to have both. And if you guys want a cool swanky nameplate for your rig, ba-bam. Give me the details in the comments and I'll hook you up.